Microsoft Office updates and tutorial. How to insert online picture in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Part 1. Inserting online picture in Microsoft Word. When opening up a Word doc, click on the Insert tab. Click on Pictures and choose option Insert Picture from Online Pictures. Type in the search bar when looking for the picture you want. After selecting a picture, click on the Insert button to load picture into Word document. You can resize the picture and move it around. Part 2. Inserting online picture in Microsoft Excel. When opening up an Excel sheet, click on the Insert tab. Click on Illustrations, then click Pictures. Choose option Insert Picture from Online Pictures. Search for a specific picture using the search bar. Hover over the filter icon, you can select different types of picture style. For example, a line drawing style of cats. After selecting a picture, click on the Insert button. You can resize and move the picture around. Part 3. Inserting online picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. When opening up a PowerPoint slide, click on the Insert tab. Then, click on Pictures and choose Insert Picture from Online Pictures. Hover over the filter icon, you can filter pictures by sizes. For example, filter it by only showing large size pictures. Select a picture and click the Insert button. You can resize and move the picture. Thank you.